Welcome everybody to the Scent Adventure. I'm James Showers, cleanest sim in the biz, and today we have Cuddles, our scent specialist, on board, and we're going to be looking at Paper Crown Soap Co. It's a nice little box, got crushed by the USPS, but I believe the soaps are safe and have survived. So I'm going to turn you guys on a downward view, or I'm going to face you downward, and let's open this box together.
All right, let's crack into this box. He's got my name right on the front, which is a nice touch, and he's included a soap sack, his card, and a few samples. We'll be looking at all of this in an upcoming full review, but we're just going to do a quick overview on what I got in this box today. Now, the lather on this soap is pretty nice, and he is using high quality soap base. The scents are nice, and the soap is obviously looking pretty good. Now, the soap maker is out here in Washington, so he's local to me. I like supporting some small businesses like this, and we'll be doing a full review coming up soon.